Hi, welcome back to Campervan Culture. This video is how to install one of these, which is our fridge plate power point. Well, the first job is to remove this old plate. And when you run the wire through there from the domestic fuse box, new ones just go in. We notice sometimes these haven't always been screwed from factory in exactly the same place, so it can be either up or down slightly. Looks like this one's going to fit though. Making the loom's pretty easy. On the back it's clearly marked positive and negative, and all you need to do is daisy chain the loom, so it's one wire running from the front to the back of this, and then you can do live to live, negative to negative. So that's it, basic loom done. As you can see, live into that one, out of that one into another live, and negative into that one, out again, and then another one there. That means that you can just look on the back, put the live where the live's to go. Same with this one. And the same with the negatives too. With that now all connected up, I just like to put a little bit of electrical tape around those bare metal connectors, just because obviously there's the stove, there's the sink, pans and stuff are often passed over this area. The points we use are waterproof ones as well, so just for a little bit of added safety and quality there, we use those. You draw out, you can then pass the wire through over the fridge and just out down there. I've already got wires going through there for something else, but yeah, just pop them through there. With that done, just connect it up to the fuse box and the power. I've got an aftermarket fuse box here just because of my Sterling charger. Screw the plate back on. Done. As you can see, once fitted, what you get is a double Bluesea USB charger and a matching standard plug. Nowadays, nearly everything uses USB, but we've added this one just as you know, an option for your old gear. We also do these plug-in USB reading lights now, which are quite fun. You can angle those any which way you want, really. Good actually if you're you know, kind of working at night on the computer, or if you just want that as a little night light for the kids. You can even shine that up in the roof a little bit. Yeah, they're pretty good. Well, that's it, another job done. That one took around 10 minutes to do. Nice and easy, but makes a massive difference to your life on the road. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.